lava va so kumbe so.
You know, be my guy. Okay, so I'm coming to you live, guys, from the Rest Lodge, like Amalamlele. There was a comedy night there, Charlie CMC, as you can see there. Yes, and people are still happy after the show. So it was the laughter medicine. What? Laughter is the best medicine. So the name of the show is called Laughter is the Best Medicine by Chavi CMC. So we came to attend this comedy night. It was nice, guys. Well attended, good number, you know, as per COVID regulations. As you can see, most people are still around here. You know, it's socially distancing, very nice, beautiful. And so socially distancing nicely there. So guys, this is the aftermath. So this is the aftermath of the show. People are still hanging around here, you know, and so it was a beautiful day. We saw and realized that, you know what, Tonga comedy actually is in good hands. I'm talking about people like ProMed, you know, all the way from Bushbuck Ridge, I think. And then Chavi CMC, Solomakamu, Mafemani, you know. Some people make jokes without even saying a word. Like a lady called Dolly. That lady was the funniest in here, but she didn't say anything. She was just dancing. So it was nice, beautiful. So I wanted to say that South African talent, Limpopo talent, or maybe let me say Tonga talent as far as comedy is in good hands. So we would like to see more of this kind of events, you know. Entertainment, music inside entertainment, because it's about entertainment. So, but I only had one question. Can someone tell me why was Chavi CMC wearing an Adidas suit? That has been actually the trending question around here, but he was well dressed. Apparently, Rungele mfana one very in Hlonipho Mkanzi. Yeah. Hlonipho Mkanzi, I don't think buying servatas for a Jalmara. Hey, Sutilia. She said, Adidas. Guys, I've never seen a suit Adidas. The first time this morning, the Rest Lodge like Amalamele. So it was nice, beautiful, guys. And there was also Ntombia Mitsonga, but by Sheles Pato. It was nice, man. I just felt like people came here because they wanted to have fun and also support someone else. Because it's about supporting everyone. Because it's about supporting each other. If we don't support each other, you know, just like you, if you buy my Ekesdors or Nkanelo Gingirkan or Mengatino t-shirts, it's supporting the channel. So Tonga Entertainment is in good hands. Come here. Comment on in skate.
Aye.
Lankumesketo shikulu.com.
Okay, let's sing about Shishon and Ningaman Figility, but it's a I should tag someone one-on-one because I was to go one-on-one when Tole Arabic secretary. And let's say this what a comedy night, you have 8. It's song I have even known. So, come like farm, but they come in on a brick float. What could I miss someone who shot that brick float? One farm, whether we saw the Bakashi suit, I could have like Bakashi suit. But anyway, you know what? I'm not gonna share the jokes that we share. Guys, we have comedy night here, friends. So that's also one comedy night thing upon a calendar. So if you are in Guyana, come and have fun. Like Lumani hotel, it's like Sanakase. Canola Gingra no command like Gingra, Nikadu Ekesdors, Silicon Yor, a person communicates from a camera. It's hard to possible.